ladies, gentlemen, and everybody in the house. My friends over at Tesery have sent me a gift, and I'm so happy they sent it to me because I was going to buy it anyway, honestly. Today, I'm going to be making my white car seat red. Looks like a bit of a complicated process, but Papa going to help me do it. This is my car. As you can see, I have lots of red in here. Perhaps one would say it may be my favorite color. This is a new addition. My mom bought me that one. But I have black Tessie with red accessory Tessie. I have white seats. I love my white seats. They kind of remind me of like a spaceship. But I'm gonna put all the red seats on. I also made that red. Everything's gonna be red. I love red. They have sent me a video to watch on how to install. It'll take 2 people over 1 hour to install the front and rear cover seats. I'm learning so much. Let's see the back seat. That's my back seat. This is the driver's seat.
Catch!
Passenger, driver.
Nice.
I did this.
Yay!
Get. I did this, and I will now go in there.
In there.
Get in there. Step 1 was a big struggle. But we completed it. Here I go. Pull. Okay, there. Finished. Oh my goodness. Great success. Next step. We are doing big tumblewumbles. I was upside down a second ago. I hit my head. 1 seat complete. Next one incoming. That was struggle straight and a half, but the 2 front seats are done. Now we have to do the back. Yay! I'm helping so much. Kind of loving this look. Oh my goodness. That's what's under the Tessie seats, if anybody was wondering. After great struggle, we have completed it. And now, a final tour. I don't know about you, but I think that's hot. That's hot. I just feel so cool. Thank you so much, Tesery. I love you, Tesery. And if you see me driving around with my red accessory Tessie, you better beep and smile. Don't beep and be angry at me. I'm so scared on the road.